Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Oopsie. There we go. No. I gotta fix something's wrong with the P&L there. I gotta figure that one out. Anyway, I'll do that after we look at the markets overnight. We've been rising up. We gapped up at the open and then continued up. Looks like our low is on ES is 6,900. The high has been 69.15, so about 15 points in range. NQ 645 all the way up to 740. It's only about 95 points in range, not a huge range. Copper been hit all-time highs on Friday, trying to get back up there. About 160 ticks in range there. Ultra Bond, not a happy camper right now. Well, and very tight range. Only 7 ticks on the... Oh, no, I'm wrong. I put that at the wrong spot. Boop. Still only about half a point. Gold, all-time highs. Just made a fresh all-time high in the last minute or so. 88 points in range there. Crude oil rising up. About 110 ticks. Natural gas looks like an EKG. And Bitcoin got back above 90K. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Let me see what's going on with the P&L. Oh, I know what's going on. Well, maybe I know. We'll see what I can figure out here. There we go. Now it's back. Quick pop and then drop. We have no actual news today, so the news you see on the side there is what's going on at Santa's workshop. Hey, Sire, are you here? I saw the comment you left and then deleted on the Discord. I will get those sheets updated. I kind of thought someone else was doing it that didn't, and I wasn't really monitoring it because of the 12 days stuff and all that. But I'll get the sheets updated. I'm doing good. Q at high a day here. You didn't cause any issues at all. We should be having that information up and as accurate as possible. The fact that we fell a bit behind there kind of perturbs me because, like I said, I thought someone else was handling it. So no issue at all. Don't ever be afraid to speak up about something. Hey, Jay. Hey, SK. How you doing? See a little bit of a pullback here. I need to go check Replicanto. Do I have the right? Yeah, I got the right stuff. All right. Oh, what's going on, SK? Q popping? Well, it's better than losses, SK. So you can look at that from the positive way of trying to think about something. Hey, Imad, how are you? Not a lot right now, Imad. Except for, I mean, the market's going kind of upwards. What are you deliberating? Oh, well, I mean, between the two, both of them are good quality firms. Between the two, I have TFD ranked slightly higher, but know that a lot of people call the TFD eval the hardest. Yeah, they have not made an official statement on Project X, but I mean, everybody else has to stop offering Project X, so I can't imagine that they figure out a way to keep it. I mean, it's not really. I mean, yes and no on the ridiculousness. Just because TFD is trying to teach people not to constantly churn accounts, blow accounts. They're trying to teach you risk management. They want to see traders succeed long term. So they're trying to teach people how to do base hits instead of constantly going for the home runs. It's kind of choppy here right now. Slight purple candle on the 5-minute chart. Yesterday was the first day of winter. Maybe that's why it's going to be 65 degrees here on Christmas. Hey, trades buy. Gold is continuing to run, making new all-time highs with every tick.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
Watching and waiting. Seeing if NQ wants to do anything. Gold may reach an exhaustion point. We'll see. Just kind of watching, waiting. Hey, Daniel. How was your session? Okay, guys, got to restart the stream so we can erase Daniel's message. So far, slow. But I'm looking at gold there. I may take that when that candle closes. What count do I have showing here? Okay, 129. Everybody ready for Christmas?
Order filled.
Took, oh, yeah, showing MGC. There we go. Now we have our trade there. You can see it. Target is way too far away. Target is 44.53, it looks like. Take Profit Trader's very good. One of my top 3. NQ bursting up here. Oh, there's a Fed speaker that was not on the docket until just now. Moron speaking. Yeah, there was no news scheduled today, so I thought I'll have fun with it. Go for the news that's happening at Santa's workshop. Did not quite get to my target there, quite unfortunately. Getting closer.
Target filled.
There we go. So we got 57 to 47, 57, 56, 55, 54. We got 35 ticks on that trade on 2 micros, so that's a $70 win. What ones have you tried already, Dan? Hey, JC. Yeah, it was a 5-minute chart play. That's why I'm saying I really am liking the 5-minute chart. We can see the NQ. Oh, actually, you can't see the NQ. We could, but if you go back here, if we go to a 5-minute chart on the NQ, you can see the NQ gave us a nice blue candle here. That would have been nice as well. It's just hard to take longs at all time. Well, I mean, not at all time highs, sorry, but at highs like this. Obviously, that could have got way more on that trade on gold there. It's coming down hard. One of the other things I've been thinking about trying on the 5-minute chart is just letting the first candle play with no target. And because it seems like the first candle will run more often than not and will go for more than what I would normally target, which there I just targeted the 9 EMA. I mean, I only took that on one account. I don't have the copier set up for gold. I need to do that. But I mean, this thing, if I had set up that for 20 accounts, there's a $70 win. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's $1,400 if you do it on 20. Anyway, Daniel, I would suggest take Profit Trader or Lucid or Tradify. Any of those 3, you're not going to go wrong with. My funded futures, too, for that matter. Yeah, that's why I'm seriously. I told myself, and we'll see if I hold myself to it. But I told myself I only want to take trades off the 5 minute for the final 2 weeks of the year. So this week and next week. So we'll see if I hold myself to that. 5 minute and using micros. Excuse me. Okay, there you go, Daniel. Actually, I didn't even realize that. And oh, what I did know, Daniel, though, if you want free market depth on all the exchanges in once you get moved to live, use them at some point when you're in the sim funded part. As long as they see that you use them, they'll give it to you free in live as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up. I mean, especially if I switch to my only concern about the 5 minute is if it ends up being too boring for the stream. I mean, I obviously more action means people get more engaged, but if I end up going to the 5 minute 100% of the time, then I'll probably actually like right now looking at NQ and gold on the 5 minute, I'll probably add another asset or two just to you know keep myself engaged as well, and for more engagement on the stream. Hey, Crypticon. Hey, MR, how you feeling? That sounds promising. See, I was an NQ set up there a little bit, but even on the 5 minute chart, my ATR is really low. See if it would have worked. uh, Gold bops right back up. Crypt, I have a message for you. What's a dimmy? Crypticon, here's your message.
Merry Christmas, Crypticon. Wishing you consistent profits in the new year.
JC, I have a message for you. And oh, okay. I've heard of that. JC, I have a message for you. And don't anyone nail me for technically breaking one of my rules with this one.
For unto you a child is born. Merry Christmas, JC and family.
Yeah, hold on, Crypt. Tell me when you're ready.
Merry Christmas, Crypticon. Wishing you consistent profits in the new year.
Yeah, MR, keep me up to date on that, because if they're not really putting people alive, or if it's going to take 68 months, I need to know. Some people I didn't get to today because I just ran out of being able to make videos. So don't think I'm forgetting about you. Hey Ron, how you doing? Crypt, I was shocked that the AI got the pronunciation of your name right on the first try. I don't think the AIs I use will allow me to do that. NQ, I mean, gold curling back up. NQ kind of is bobbing here. Yes. You tell me when you're ready, JC. There you go, JC.
For unto you a child is born. Merry Christmas, JC and family.
Hey, Rod. Morning, John. I have a message for you, too. You're fine, Daniel. You're not doing anything wrong. You're very welcome, JC. Here you go, John DeFore.
Merry Christmas, John Dufour. Hoping April comes quick.
Yeah, gold is super strong. I thought that might be the bigger pullback coming there, and it's coming right back up. We'll see if it can continue coming back up or if it's going to drop back down. NQ did come down. I should have taken that on the 5-minute, and I didn't. Still that problem with questioning my my strategies. I gotta stop that. But that would have been a nice 10 to 15 point win right there on NQ. Absolutely, Jen. Merry Christmas to you as well. I'm playing them. I was thinking about waiting till tomorrow, but I wasn't sure how many people were going to be here tomorrow. So, IMAD, we don't know. I took off between Christmas and New Year's last year, and it was amazing price action. Daniel saw the same thing. He decided he wasn't going to trade last year, and saw amazing price action. So it used to be that it was really slow between Christmas and New Year's, to the point that Topstep didn't allow their funded traders to trade that week. But now no one can tell. I'm going to be live streaming Monday through Wednesday next week. Or at least that's the plan. If like Monday and Tuesday, or Monday seems like totally dead, or Monday and Tuesday seems like totally dead, then we'll probably skip Wednesday. We'll play it by ear. I mean, I did consider the idea that I could just get some extra sleep. No, no Monday night Ox tonight or next Monday. We'll start again on the first Monday in January. We will not have a stream on Friday. It seems weird to take off Wednesday, Thursday, and come back Friday. So we'll be off 5 straight days, basically, Wednesday through Sunday. Of course, I'll be around on the Discord. See, gold here is kind of just has slowed down. We'll see whether it tilts back over. I thought about trading last night, and then I dozed off. Yep. See gold there. See what it does. NQ trying to curl back up. Saw that, John. Sorry about that. What happened to the Lions? They looked really strong last year. Yeah, that would be a liquidation scenario there. And gold back to their its all-time high, which it set a half an hour ago. Yeah, it's a shame the pits are no longer around. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, John. You gonna try and stay in the sport at all in like coaching or scouting or anything like that, or is he start gonna look to start totally new? Silver's been absolutely amazing. As much as we talk about gold, silver's really been even so much more amazing than gold has been. That's good, John, if he wants to stay in the game. By the way, guys, remind me in a little bit once more people are here. I missed the text message from Sid Chase on Friday when we were having our party, but we have a gift that from Sid Chase he wants to give away. Well, it is that time of year. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. All right, Tris. In what, gold? And Q curled right around too. All right. It's trying to pop right back up. It's like 75% of you so far think NQ is going to hit a new all-time high before the end of the year. Remember the vote in the poll? Vote early, vote often. Bitcoin a little bit of a pullback. Ultra bond rising pretty good. Crude rising pretty good. About 10 minutes to the top of the hour. I assume they made a lot of money off of that, Daniel? Both NQ and gold curling down now a little bit. Gold would have been a decent setup to take. Technically not in my my strat, but the way that did that there would have been a good one. They did make money? Oh. I don't think there is a stock tick just for silver. I think you would need to buy like companies that mine silver and things like that. Or silver ETFs, maybe. Oh, wow. Yeah. Let's look. Let's bring up TradingView and see what it tells us. Silver and gold, silver commercial, silver quart metals, silver mines limited. Not seeing anything. Silver dollar resources? No, that's not it. Oh, I don't know. I don't see that. I think that's Forex, maybe. Okay. I'm not getting anything on New York but okay. I share Silver Trust. There we go. It's guess they don't technically consider it a stock, whatever. There you go. Well, let's go look at that without taking away my NQ chart. Let's go over here. This is a daily chart on that, and look at that rise just over the last month from about 45 to 60. And look at look at the yearly chart. So I find the yearly chart. 3460 on the year. Gold did trickle back down. Could not get higher. You can see that candle right there if we blow it up. This would have been, see how that candle reached an equal of the last candle and ended up being red and almost all wick. That would have been a great entry. Uh, see, I don't know economics enough to answer any of those questions. I mean, 5 years ago, I didn't know what an FOMC was, so. falling hard. This is the DXY on the 15-minute chart. If we go to a daily chart, I mean, it's fallen some in the last couple of weeks, but not near the lows we saw in September. But overall, for the year, it's down pretty significantly. Dixie, is that okay? I was always wondering how people said it. And here the pop. Gold right back up too. Could not break the 9 cleanly on the 5-minute chart. Top of the hour. Q pulls back a tiny bit. Blue candle's technically a signal there, but I don't kind of trust it because they're bopping against the highs of day. Morning, USC. How are you? All right, JC. See you tomorrow. Hey, Nick.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
Hardest part about Christmas is going to be getting rid of all these Christmas videos and replacing them back with the old ones. Good morning, Ace. Ace, I have a message for you.
Merry Christmas, Ace, Mrs. Ace, K-Pop, and the rest of the family.
Actually, I did hear from RJ. He responded to my email. Well, I can play that again, Ace. If there's a time that everybody's around, sometime, just let me know. RJ says, he actually was here a little bit during the Christmas party, but didn't talk because he didn't want to take away from everything that was going on. He said trading this month has been difficult for him. He got a really bad cold and was laid up for almost 2 weeks. He's over it now and back at it. And basically said that he found the stream getting in his way of trading. He says making money, not friends, is the primary goal. Increasingly, I found the stream was taken away from my focus. It's totally on me, not you. I don't have an issue with you. I still consider you a friend, etc. I realized I was constantly missing trades. This chat was taking more and more of my focus, and not in a good way at that. He says, I will visit again in the new year. I won't become one of those total dropouts. NQ, new high day. USC, I have a video for YouTube, but I gotta wait for Teo to come in. Yeah. I am not streaming on Wednesday. So it's a half day and expect volume to be crap. I plan on just watching holiday content, listening to Christmas music, and chilling out. No stream on Friday either. Q looks a little scattered here, trying to push up higher. Gold, move it sideways. So after completely freezing us out and snowing us in for the first 2 weeks of December, Mother Nature has decided that Christmas should be 65 degrees. Q maybe setting up for a short here. Gold continuing to just try and push up. About 19 degrees Celsius, Daniel.
Order filled.
We're short NQ. I want 753. Well, I'll take 754. It's in Australia. Oh, wow. Popped right back up. Gonna hit my stop.
Order filled.
Well, that was one 5-minute chart run that didn't work.
Stop filled. I've been scrugged, bah humbug.
There goes NQ right back up. Gold's going up. Everything's going up. Hey, hey, Rav. then Q try to pull back down here now as we head toward the bell. What musical? All right. I could start singing some Christmas music. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. And in the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. And Q comes back up. Looks like we're going to go into the open at the high of day. But we are now, if we look at a daily chart, let's look at a daily chart. We're running into these resistance areas here on the daily. So it's going to be interesting if we can get above that. If we can get above that, then we have the shot at the all-time highs that were made back in October. But I want to point out, and this is really, really interesting, my little moving average ATR thing where you see the brown lines works on the daily chart. Look at that. We got the green candle there after the brown, and it's up. Got green candle here, up. We got the red candle there, down. Red candle there, big down. How about that? I could start being a swing trader on this setup. Really, only one place has a swing trade now that I know of, and that's Fidias. We are preparing for the bell.
Attention, please. It's 2 minutes until the bell.
Pop there, 2 minutes to go. Up to 782, new high day. I think it's just a heart for a mouth. He'll be retired in 2 days. So we are going to hit the open at the high of day.
Says every time the bell rings, traders blow up their accounts.
The market didn't like that because it immediately shot down. Shot down in a blaze of glory. Gold pulled back as well. NQ coming right back up. Morning, Teo. Oh, and there's a new high day on NQ. So Teo and USC have a video to play for you here, and after once we clear the open here. Gold coming down hard. Nope, no news today. That's why I have the news from Santa's workshop on the left-hand side. And NQ comes down, back down hard. We're now down 50 points from the open. There is a gaggle of news tomorrow, though. $61-point drop here on NQ. Dead drop. Too big of a candle for me to take off the 5. Back down to 700. Be careful, guys. Just came across the futures desk that Rhythmic is experiencing issues. Teo and USC, if you're ready to look at the screen for 10 seconds, I'll play your video. All right, here you go. If USC is not ready, I can replay it.
Merry Christmas, Teo and USC Sun.
Order filled. Stock filled.
I can't believe I got him decorating a pineapple in the first try.
Order filled.
Thought for sure AI would start taking over the world at that point.
Stock filled. And he's still trying to push downward. AQ's still falling, but not at a heavy rate now. Here it's trying to nose up a bit. Sorry, guys, I keep yawning. Strong candle up here is about 20 points, but it hits the 9 EMA and pulls back. Order filled. Q pushing up. I took a micro trade on it and I realized I'm not showing a micro chart. Okay. Go. Struggling to get through that 9 now. Wait, is there only one micro? It's only one micro. I thought it did 2. Only one? It's only one. So not much risk here. Order filled.
Now it's 2. Looked like it wanted to go. Still struggling with the 9 EMA. Gold with a nice pop. Got 4 points from my target and pulled back.
Target filled.
Here we go. That was a 22-point win. No, sorry, 20-point win.
That happens to Ace too, Daniel. He'll be screaming at the screen for me to be moving my stop.
Screw white Christmas. I'm dreaming of a green Christmas.
It says rhythmic has been restored. Pulls back a little bit. You hit the 9 on the 5-minute chart. Breaking that 9. Now, see, that was a blue candle on the 5-minute. I hesitated on it, but I shouldn't have. That would have been a beautiful trade. Watching and waiting here. Gold struggling to get higher as well. kind of stagnant as we head toward the top of the hour. Excuse me while I mute for about 1 minute. All right, I'm back. See, we didn't really do much while I was gone. Heads go long, tails go short. Looks like gold wants to head back down. I like my dart throwing method. I throw a dart at the screen, and wherever it hits is where I place my entry, and then my target is $10 more than the cost of getting a new screen. We're gonna try a micro gold trade here. If this candle finishes the way it's looking right now.
Order filled.
Gold popping back up there, trying to scare me. Get some of those electric mouse traps. They work wonders. Here comes my gold trade back down. NQ as well. Not in an NQ trade, I'm in a gold trade. Gold's just kind of
Have a good night, Daniel. Gold doing gold stuff. So guys, when I wasn't looking at my phone during the Christmas party on Friday, Sid Chase had sent me a message. Now, for those of you who don't know Sid, he's a millionaire, multimillionaire, and he's written a book about alternative investments and things like that. He's a great trader, etc. But he sent me a message that I could offer up a free 30-minute consultation with him on any investing subject. So who would be interested in something like that? Okay, then we'll figure out a way to give it away at 10:30 Eastern. He's been here before. He's been on stream with us before. Weren't you going to bed, Daniel? But he runs a farm now and a store, so the stream isn't the best time for him now. Sounds like a personal question, Ace. Gold's being an idiot.
Did you want a chance to win the Sid Chase thing? This gold trade's annoying. And Q's running downward. Except for the Cougars, Ace. Now my gold trade's working. Oh, crap. What a bounce. Didn't get to my target and now bounced a significant amount.
Order filled.
Taking it off, I think it's going to bounce back up. So I got a point out of it. It would have worried me more if you had said the futures desk. I figured it came back down. Look at that. Well, my original target was 44.47. We'll see if it gets there. And cue the strong candle here. All right, we'll be doing it in about 15 minutes.
Order filled.
That as Teo, Sid offered a free 30-minute consultation on any investing topic, a one-on-one. So we're going to put that up for grabs. All right, Daniel. Have yourself a good night. We shall see you later.
Order filled.
Took that off there for 12 points. Yeah, MR left again. Said it was 80%. Oh, welcome back, MR. Glad I got out of that trade where I did. I'm not sure. I was talking to him on Discord a little bit ago. He made an absolutely wonderful advertisement for Tradify's new sale. Yes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Another 12-point trade there. Thank you, Frater. Pulls back a little bit. Both those trades I got out at like the right time. How's everybody doing? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Q bounces right back down. Sorry to hear that, MR. We're glad you're still up a good amount. Oh, and USC, I didn't realize we were serving spirits already this morning. Glad someone's tending the bar. Tayo's obviously already been hitting the spirits. Both NQ and gold seem a little stagnant right now. Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious. Sorry, yawning again. Yeah, for like the last 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes or so. $5 minute. Yeah, I'm thinking the same I'm at, but kind of waiting for confirmation.
Remember, everyone, gore the like button to stay on Santa's nice list.
All right, guys. If you're interested in a 30-minute one-on-one consultation with Sid Chase about investments and all that stuff, type no bull in the chat, and then I'll use a random number generator. Guy out running the trail is the first one to type it. Yeah, it's a shame because I know Morocco has a lot of good traders. It's a shame that there's other people ruining it. Nobody else? Just the three of you? Giving away a 30-minute consultation with Sid Chase about investments. One person will be picked randomly. Sid Chase is our multimillionaire member here who's written books about alternative investments and things like that. type no bull. Any type of investments. He's done real estate, stocks. He's our metals expert, etc. So anything you want to talk to him about, investment wise, etc. Oh, he's written books on real estate. You can actually find him on Amazon. So if you want in, type no bull. Oh, you already did. Okay. USC, I didn't see you enter. You're not interested in this? Okay. Just wanted to make sure because I saw it when I originally said it. I saw you say wow. So there's Hassan. USC was asking about you earlier. I think it was USC. All right, starting the random number generator. Since we have 4 people, this is not that hard. And the winner is Ace Trades. Ace, I'll let Sid know and let him figure out how he wants to contact you. Or you contact him or whatever. And I'll see if he's available for a Monday night show one night when he's less busy. Because he's busy during the day, but he might have some time at night. See if we can get him back on a broadcast in an evening, on an evening stream. Gold popped right back up. Can't keep gold down. NQ now dropping. Good call, Iman. I thought about taking that purple candle on the 5, but I didn't like that it just bounced up, but obviously I should have. Dropping hard now, real quick. Someone needs to remind Patak that actions speak louder than words.
Order filled.
We're long. Two days, yeah. I think that was supposed to be announcing their own brokerage, Hassan, but I'm not sure. Agreed. Or wasn't that kind when he decided to get rid of affiliates that had helped him build that company? This just does not want to get to my target. And now it's going to dump on me. Yes, kitty cat, what do you need? Can you see I'm in the middle of a trade?
Target filled.
There we go. I hit my target. 6 points there. Almost 7 points. There we go. Yeah. Get fed in about 30 minutes, baby boy. And look at that run after I hit my target. Of course it did. 26-point candle here. Now it's tempting me on the 5-minute. It's got 2 minutes on it though, so we'll see how it ends. What? Huh? What? What do you want, huh? Still trying to move up. 676. Yeah, that's a bunch of NQ points right there. Gold is a beast. Silver and gold. It's going to go for 4,500. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold decorations on every Christmas tree. Remember, we got no Monday Night Ox tonight. Monday Night Ox will return in January. Oh, wow. Oh, really, Hassan? I didn't realize that. I knew you traded silver. I didn't realize your only payout came from it. Silver is scary at that $25 a tick. And there's NQ popping back up with a blue candle.
Order filled.
It's trying to break the 9 on the 5. But struggling. really struggling. Maybe. Nope. 683 is where the 9 on the 5 is sitting. Working 9 to 5. Still can't get above it. There, come on, get some strength. Nope, goes right back down to my entry. Try it again. Fails again. Another blue candle, though. There we go. Now we got some movement.
Order filled.
Took it off. It may still go, but I'll take the 9 points there, or 8 points there. Let's see what happens. It's not going to be your only one, Hassan. Now watch it go. Yeah, man, I thought I was going to get 9 points in a game. I got 8, so got slipped a little bit.
See, for me, big tick amounts scare me away. I'm not into that big tick energy. Glad I got out where I did. Look at that. Ace is running. We have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow for our last stream before Christmas. Hope everyone could join me then. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you then. Bye.